Okay, lesson 2-10, we're going to do subtracting across zero, okay? Subtracting across zero, which means that when we go to regroup, there may not be something next door. So let's say we have, okay, 152 minus 25, okay? We know how to do this one. So write this down on your piece of paper. Okay. More on the floor, we need to go next door. Okay, 12 minus 5 is 7, and 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, so we know how to do that. What if it was 102 minus 25? Okay, this is the one. Really, write this one down. Pause the video, write this down. 102 minus 25. Okay, so 2 minus 5, we have a problem. We need to go next door and get, uh-oh, nobody's home. I cannot take one away from 0, okay? So if we're looking at this here, we have 100 and 2 ones, correct? 102. 102 ones, okay? We have our 2 ones. We want to take 5 apart. Take 5 away. We want to go next door and get a 10 and move it over here, but I don't have any 10s. I have 0 10s. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 100 away, and I'm going to give myself 10 10s, right? I'm going to take this 100 away, and I'm going to give myself 10 10s. Okay, we'll go to the bank. Swap these out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 10 10s. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 10s. So 10 10s is 100 plus my 2. I still really have 102. 102. So I haven't changed the amount that I had. I just had 100, 0 10s, and 2 1s. Now I have 10 10s and 2 1s, which still has the same value of 102. Okay, this still doesn't help me subtract 2 minus 5. Can I take 5 away from this? No, I still can't. But now at least I can go next door and get a 10 from here. Now I have something there. So now I can do this. So now I can take this away, make that a 9, and stick a 1 in front of that. Okay, 12 minus 5 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7, and 0 minus nothing is 0. Okay? So let's do a couple more of those. Okay, write this one down. 300 minus 124. Okay, 300 minus 124. That means I have 300s, right? 1, 2, 3. I have 300s. I have no 10s and no 1s, right? That's just 300. Okay, I use my little handy dandy index card here. I have 0 1s. I want to take 4 away. I have a problem. So I need to go next door. Oh, nobody's home. I go next door, knock, knock. There's no 10s there. So I'm going to go over to this 100. I'm going to take one of the 100s away. I'm going to give myself 10 10s. So now I have 200 and 10 10s. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have 200s and 10 10s, which 10 10 is 100, so I still have my same value of 300. Still doesn't help me subtract 0 minus 4. I still don't have any, but I can take one of these 10s and move it over, which is going to leave me with 9, and it's going to give me 10 1s. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay, so now I can subtract. 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, let's try a couple more without the manipulatives here. See if we can do those, okay? Okay, let's do over here. Let's flip your paper sideways so we have the right columns, okay? So let's do 804 minus 149. Okay? So 804 minus 149. Okay? So make sure you have that written down on the paper. Turn your paper sideways so that you can use the columns. Okay. 4 minus 9. Yes, I hope you said problem. That is a problem. We have more on the floor. We need to go next door. Uh-oh, nobody's home. So that's okay. We're going to go over to our hundreds. We're going to take one of them away and give ourselves 10 tens. Now we have 10. So now we have more on the floor. Now we can go next door, take one of those away, and then give ourselves 10 ones right there. Okay? So now we kind of ignore that. 14 minus 9 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay? I want you to try this one on your own here. Okay, 805 minus 616. So pause it, try it, and then come back. Okay, so you should have realized you have more on the floor. You need to go next door. No one's home. So make that a 7, give yourself 10. Make that a 9, give yourself 10 ones, okay? 15 minus 6 is 9, 8, and 1, 189. Okay, let's try one more. What if we had 206 minus 37? Okay, 206 minus 37. Give that one a shot. Okay, more on the floor. I need to go next door. Nobody's home. So 1, 10. 9, 16, 9, 6, 1, 169. Okay, now make sure we don't go crazy with our regrouping. What if you had this? $809 minus 209. 9 minus 9, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 2, 6, right? Don't regroup if you don't have to. Okay, so very good. Good job, and I will see you tomorrow.